Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website with Figma. First, understand that Figma is a robust, browser-based design tool perfect for crafting stunning website interfaces. It allows for real-time collaboration, meaning multiple team members can work on the same file simultaneously. You can also build interactive prototypes, bringing your static designs to life and simulating the user experience before any code is written. This streamlines the entire design process significantly. To start designing, set up your artboards using standard web dimensions, like 1440 pixels wide for desktop. Implement a 12-column grid system with 24-pixel gutters to ensure precise alignment. Utilize frames to group elements logically and create reusable components for consistent design across pages. Define text and color styles early on to maintain brand consistency throughout your entire website project. Now, let's make your design interactive. Connect different frames using Figma's prototyping features to simulate user journeys and navigation paths. Add various interactions, such as on-click to transition between pages or while hovering for button effects. Test your prototype thoroughly to identify any usability issues and refine the user experience. This step is crucial for validating your design before development begins. Finally, prepare your design for development. Share your Figma file directly with developers, allowing them to inspect elements, copy CSS properties, and extract assets effortlessly. Export images and icons in appropriate formats like SVG or PNG, ensuring optimal quality and file size. Clearly document font families, color codes, and spacing measurements to guarantee a pixel-perfect implementation of your website design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.